How to download WhatsApp Business app on your Android devices. Are you guys facing issues to download WhatsApp Business app on your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile devices. Once you open the Play Store, just simply look at the top of your screen where you can see the search bar. Tap on search bar and search for WhatsApp Business. After you search for it, you'll be able to see this icon WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp App LLC. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to see this install button. Just simply tap on install. As soon as you click on install, WhatsApp Business app will be installed on your mobile devices. It will take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to download WhatsApp Business on your mobile devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.